Good morning po mga kababayan mo sir. This is Jam, the Filipino channel ang inyo pong lingkod. So today is August 5, 2026. Tayo ngayon ay dito sa may Naiya Terminal 3, Barangay 183 Pasay. At dadalhin po natin sa may Rock Birthing Home sa may Lanting Street, Western Bicotan, Taguig po yan. Okay, magbabalik po tayo mamaya konti po. Ang nakuha na po natin sila. Disclaimer lamang po ang content po natin ay kalsada at hindi ang passenger. Kaya naman sakasakaling man po na may marinig kayo mga pangalan ng lugar, pangalan ng tao, pangalan ng organizations, government o private man yan na wala pong kinalaman ng channel nito at wala pong pinapatungkulan. Lahat po ng pinag-uusapan dito ay pawang dito lang po sa loob at wala pong pinapatungkulan sa labas.
Okay. Saan po kayo nakaikot na sa bansa natin? Nakaikot na po ba kayo ng Mindanao, sa Bicol?
Marami na po akong naikutan. Hindi ko na po maalala lahat, sir.
Opo. Kayo po ba nakarating na sa farm?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Opo, saan po sa farm? Sa Sulu? Sa Basilan? Sa Mindanao? Hindi niyo po matandaan?
Hindi ko po matandaan, Your Honor, kung saan.
Bicol po. Nakaikot na po kayo sa Bicol?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Saan po sa Bicol? Sa Camarines Norte?
Sa Camarines Sur po.
Sur. Sa Norte, hindi pa po.
Hindi ko po maalala kung
Nakaikot na po kayo sa mga bundok.
saan po, Your Honor.
Mga bundok.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Nakita niyo na po ba ang pangangailangan ng mga tao sa malayong lugar? Katulad ng gamot. Katulad po ng pagkain.
Hindi ko, wala naman po akong na-observe, Your Honor.
Ayun, wala. Hindi po kayo exposed. Exposed po ba kayo sa threat ng terrorism sa bansa natin? Ano niyo po ba? Ang ISIS, ang NPA, ang Abu Sayyaf? Exposed po ba kayo doon sa mga balita?
Sa news po, may
Sa
mga
news.
balitaan po ako, Your Honor.
Opo, alam niyo po ba na kung gaano nakagrabe ang terrorism?
Ano po akong threshold, Your Honor, to determine that?
Wala po. Pero kayo po ang humahawak ng investigasyon patungkol sa confidential fund. Tama po ba?
Hindi po siya investigation, evaluation po.
Evaluation, ako, tama-tama. Ibig po sabihin, kahapon po, sinabi ninyo na gumawa lang kayo ng preliminary investigation. Tama po ba? Preliminary inquiry.
Hindi po part po siya ng process namin na mag-issue po kami ng AOM.
So, ibig po sabihin, kahapon kasi narinig ko, parang yung ginawa nyo, preliminary lang.
Yung AOM po, preliminary lang.
Opo, hindi po yung conclusion.
Kung ang tinutukoy niyo po ay yung meron po kasi provision as to the joint circular as to tinatawag na prima
So,
facie.
isagot na lang po, kung conclusion ba po yun? Final?
Hindi po kasi we require
So, hindi po final.
Based on the AOM po,
Konti lang po oras ko, hindi po final.
sa AOM po, yung AOM po hindi pa final.
Hindi po final. Opo. Kayo po ba yung naniniwala na ang mga confidential agent ay dapat magpakilala? Sabihin ng kanilang mga totoong pangalan.
Ang wala pong provision as to that po sa joint circular, Your Honor.
Opo. Kayo po mismo, palagay niyo po, sa personal po ninyong pagkakaintindi, ang mga confidential agent dapat po bang magpakilala?
Since that calls for an opinion, hindi po ako authorized to express that, Your Honor.
Ano pong definisyon niyo ng confidential?
Based on the joint circular po, ang confidential expenses ay yung
Hindi po expenses, confidential lang po. Bilang kayo po ay abogado, ano pong pagkakaintindi niyo sa confidential?
unclassified po, Your Honor.
Okay. Boss, sa next na lang po akong round.
Thank you, Senator
Salamat po.
Padilla. You may avail of the second round. Next would be Senator Judge Marcos. You are recognized, ma'am. You may proceed when you're ready. You have 2 minutes.
Thank you very much, Presiding Judge. Okay, kanina sinabi mo na hindi ka umabot dun sa notice of disallowance pero andun pa rin sa ICMAO nung na-release yung notice of suspension, di ba?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Okay, so doon sa notice of suspension, katulad ng disallowance, nasabi mo, kahit wala ka na ron, you were made aware kasi nabalitaan mo, pinagbawal ba ng COA yung mga confidential expenses dahil peke o fictitious, gawa-gawa lang yung mga AR?
Ano pong notice yung tinutukoy niya po, Your Honor?
Doon sa mga AR ng OBP, meron bang sinabi na gawa-gawa lang, hindi tunay, peke?
Dahil hindi po yan yung focus ng audit namin, wala po may basis para magkaroon ng findings po doon sa mga sinasabi niyo.
So ang sagot, no. Walang sinasabi na fictitious yung AR. At doon sa AOM, pati sa suspension, gano'n na rin sa ND, sinabi ba ng COA na yung AR and documentary evidence of payments, yung DEP, peke, falsifikado, huwad?
Since hindi po yan yung focus ng audit po namin, wala po kaming findings about that, Your Honor.
Sinabi ba doon na falsifikado yung DEP at saka yung AR? Na it was forged, kumbaga?
Wala pong ganong findings, Your Honor.
Wala rin, di ba? At doon sa mga pangalan ng mga recipient ng award, tama ba po sa pagkaintindi na hindi rin sinita ng COA yung mga kakaibang pangalan tulad ng Mary Grace Piatos, Antilim, etc. Ang sinabi at binanggit talaga ng COA ay yung mga datos na hindi tumutugma. Tama ba?
This property is compliance audit po. Wala pong provision ng circular as to the use of SSS po. Wala po kaming findings.
Kasi sabi mo nga, neither allowed nor prohibited. Tama po. So, doon sa AOM at sa notice of suspension, the names of these reward recipients was never raised by COA. Diba?
Yes po.
Tama. Dahil, nangyayari talaga na kakaibang pangalan ang binibigay kapag confidential or intelligence funds. Kaya, isa pang tanong ko, doon sa notice of suspension, pati na rin sa ND, ang pagkaintindi natin, final ba ito o hindi?
Kapag sinabi po kasing notice of disallowance under the joint circular, meron na pong obligation to restitute agad.
Tama, final siya sa COA, pero ayun sa Supreme Court. Pinal na pinal, hindi po ba?
May clarify ko lang po, kapag doon Supreme Court, patang gawin na lang po siya mag-deliver discretion ng ating tula for jurisdiction. So wala na pong kinalaw.
Ganun nga, talaga naman.
I-clarify ko lang po, ano. Ewan to restitute ay hindi po apektado pagpagpay sa Supreme Court. So kahit mag-file po sila ng petition for certiorari sa Supreme Court, kailangan na po nilang ibalik agad kasi yung tendency po ng petition for certiorari ay yung
Ngayon na signal.
dahil sa presumption po,
Misappropriated ba yun?
kindly wrap up, dahil sa presumption po, hindi po kailangan directly sabihin kasi nagkaroon po ng presumption.
Pero hindi sinabi. Sa madaling sabi,
Pero dahil
wala
presumption
talaga
po
sin-
siya, hindi po siya kailangan sabihin, Your Honor.
Naintindihan ko, pero wala doon. Is there a COA finding na nilakaw ang confidential funds doon sa various AOMs and notice? Meron bang sinasabi doon na nilakaw? It was stolen?
Dahil sa pinapas evidence na nagamit po sa purpose ng
Passenger is sharing the location.
Senator Judge Marcos. Thank you. Senator Judge Ejercito is recognized. You may proceed, sir, and when you're ready in your minutes.
In 200 meters, make a slight left, then make a slight right. Avoid destination. In 300 meters, you will be pointed towards 10 Avenue, Terminal 1.
Yes, for your honor. I don't have any time anymore, so it's okay, thank you. Thank you, Senator Judge Soto. Senator Judge Lacson may proceed with his interjections when he's ready. You have to sir. Thank you, Sir Presiding Officer. Good morning, Attorney Wambil. Good morning po, Your Honor. Kindly refresh my memory, no? Kasi ang pagkaalam ko, sa paggamit ng intelligence sa confidential fund, hindi lamang sa pinapayagan o hindi pinagbabawal ang paggamit ng AJAS, kundi necessity for practical reasons, di ba? Just for your end. Ang yung totoong tao na sa likod ng mga AJAS, kapag declassified na, o tapos na yung tinatawag na hindi nyo inaalam kung meron bang totoong tao na nasa likod. Sino ang mga aliases na yun.
Opo. Since what we do po, hindi po is compliance audit lang po, Your Honor. So, kung ano lang po talaga yung provisions na nasasaad doon sa
45
joint
po ito,
circular,
no?
yun lang po talaga yung ginagawa namin, Your Honor.
That brings me to my next point. Baka pwedeng i-recommenda mo na i-amend nyo
Baka
yung
ibalik nila to, ah.
45.
JMC. Kasi parang
Ito po
bitin,
yan.
no? In fairness to the concerned
Ate, can you code this
offices
number for the laundry?
or persons na in-audit,
So easy.
dapat
So that they can pick it up today and then finish tomorrow.
Just kasi yung paper lang, magre-rely lang kayo sa mga submission, hindi nyo inaalam. You don't go further than that, di ba?
Yeah.
Anyway, wala ka naman doon sa, hindi ka naman
Naubusan.
deputy commissioner pa o assistant commissioner, so siguro, i-recommend mo na lang na i-amend yung inyong JMC.
Thank you.
So my next question is, what would you consider as
Makasulan ah.
of a particular surveillance operation and or intelligence information gathering activity? Ano yung evidence of success?
Actually, walang specific na document yung sinasabi ng joint circular, pero nagbe-base po kami dun sa mismong wording po na dapat merong causal link between the successful intelligence or surveillance activities vis-a-vis yung information given by the informant.
Okay. Would an after surveillance report or after intelligence report ng particular na agent, would it suffice para i-consider yung
Do I need to put 60?
evidence of success?
No need, right?
I'm not referring to the entire operation.
Just 9.
Kasi kapag nagsagawa ng
9?
surveillance, nagsasagawa ng after surveillance report, whether negative or positive, would you consider that as evidence of success?
Katulad po ng sinabi ko, titingnan po namin yung causal link, yung causal link between the success and the information given.
Yun ang problema kasi bitin nga yung inyong audit. So I would reiterate, i-recommend mo na i-amend ninyo yung inyong circular. Thank you. Thank you, Senator Judge Nafton. Before proceeding to round 2, Chair would like to make some interjections. Attorney Mamil, you read the notice of suspension earlier and you gave what amount again? Can you kindly give him a copy? Counsel for prosecutors. Uwian ni kayo meantime.
Sa payment of rewards po, yung total is 59,787,000 pesos po.
You're referring to page 1 of the December 13 notice of suspension that you prepared.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Can you total it again for me, please, sir?
The payment of rewards po.
I totaled it and your total is wrong. Kindly total the figures that you wrote there.
Yes, sir. It was a typo error po. 69,787,000 pesos.
Ang dami namang nagkamaling numero dun. From 59,787, ang tamang total is 69,837.
Yes po, Your Honor.
But the figure you mentioned earlier was what was written here. How did you know that it was wrong, a typo, and now you're giving us the correct figures?
Kasi yung 10 million po, Your Honor, hindi na-add dun sa total amount. 10 million po ng payment of reward payment.
Pangalawa po, yung subsequent issuances, binabanggit po 69 million na, pero yung detalye, hindi na po 10.5 million, 10 million na. Ano ba talaga?
Can you repeat your question po, Your Honor?
Nakalagay po dyan 10.5 million, 10.05 million. Hindi po na reward payment. Yung subsequent documentation by COA already referred to it as only 10 million. Anong pagkakaiba yun?
What subsequent document po, Your Honor, yung tinutukoy mo?
I'm referring to the notice of disallowance later on, and the documents mentioned also in subsequent documents.
Wala na po ang personal namin sa order ng personal disallowance po, Your Honor.
So, ba't na-correct yung 10 million, yung 10.05 na 10 million na lang? You want it now?
Wala na po, Your Honor.
In relation to the question of Senator Judge Serra, how much is the total that were provided for? You gave a total. In relation to the question of Senator Judge Villanueva, ano ba yung pinagkaiba? Correct me if I'm wrong. You said you were aware of the notice of disallowance.
Yes po.
How much was the notice of disallowance? Ano yung dinisallow after the 125?
Sa pagkakalala ko, around 73 million pesos po, Your Honor.
So out of 125 million, 73 million lang yung finally dinisallow ng COA sa notice of disallowance. regular o you wouldn't know?
I wouldn't know po.
Okay.
Pero that's unusual po, pero I wouldn't know if it is regular. So,
Okay.
so
we
Does
come
it
back
wrap,
to the
like
term
price go
unusual.
up if
Okay.
it's ready?
So this is unusual.
Yeah,
Doon sa
sometimes.
nabanggit mo kahapon, yung usapin ng meeting ninyo, yung audit query, nabanggit nyo na hiningi kung nag-meeting kayo magkaroon ng audit query, hiningi ang audit query sa halip na AOM, tama?
yes po, Your Honor.
Okay. At hindi kayo pumayag?
Yes po. So, wala naman po siya sa aming joint circular, Your Honor.
Kung pumayag kayo, nawala sa joint circular at nagbigay kayo ng audit query na hinihingi ng OVP, would you be violating the joint circular?
Yes po. So, po kami nagbigay, Your Honor.
In other words, an audit query would be a violation of the joint circular, tama?
Hindi lang po siya sanction, Your Honor. Hindi po siya part nung in-issue namin.
Okay, okay. Pero hindi nga part. Pero kung ginawa nga ninyo, based on your experience as auditor, you would be violating your own issuances.
Yes po, Your Honor.
That's why you refuse to give the audit query as requested, and instead, tinuloy nyo yung AOM. Last question, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes, last question. Binanggit mo na hindi tinanggap yung AOM nung in-issue ninyo, tama ba yun?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Bakit? Alam niyo ba kung ba't hindi tinanggap? Dahil walang authorization, tama ba yun?
Yes po, wala na pong mag-i-resume.
Ganyan ba dapat? Ganyan ba ang kalakaran pagka ang isang ahensya ng pamahalaan ay binigyan niyo ng AOM? Nangyayari ba yan na hindi tinatanggap ng ahensya?
Yan po yung first time na nangyari po, Your Honor.
So, that's unusual.
Yes po, that's unusual po.
No further questions, Mr. President.
Thank you, Senator Judge Pangilinan. Before proceeding to the other round two availers, Chair would like to recognize Senator Judge Zubiri, who will be availing of his first round to make his interjections. You are recognized, sir.
Thank you very much, Mr. Presiding Officer. Magandang umaga po, Attorney.
Good morning po, Your Honor.
Ito, broad strokes lang po ito, Mr. Presiding Officer, to my dear colleagues. Kasi, sa iyong pananaw, dito sa findings ninyo, napapakita ba na may possibility of misuse and abuse of government funds on confidential and intelligence funds?
There is a presumption po, Your Honor.
Yes, and hindi lamang to para sa opisina ni OVP, di ba? I'm sure sa tagal mo, sa iyong karanasan bilang investigator ng COA, ganito din ang findings mo sa maraming mga ahensya.
Yes po. Since we follow naman po yung joint circular sa lahat ng in-audit po namin.
At hindi lamang sa ahensya ng eksekutibo, pati LGUs. Tama po yan.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Yeah, the reason why I'm taking this up at gusto ko pong tanungin po ang ating witness is sa iyong experience, dahil sa lack of accountability using confidential funds as a excuse na nagkakaroon ng abuso at corruption dito sa pondong ito.
Yes po.
Yeah, kasi
Mahirap nito.
obviously,
Ang guard
Mr.
lang yung
Witness,
may payong.
pag sinabing
Tapos
confidential in nature,
papubuksan nila ang
huwag na
bintana.
kayong magtanong. Basta ginamit namin yung pera. Hindi sa tingin mo, tama po yan o hindi?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Tumulong pag hahuli itong mga tao ito. Ayan ba'y ganun din po nakita ninyo sa OVP, use of confidential funds?
Pwedeng ka-ulit po ng tanong, Your Honor.
Sana mabigyan po ako ng leeway na ating presiding officer. Basically, nung ako po yung naging Senate President, yung confidential intelligence funds ay dinadala dito during budget hearing. So, para ma-review po ng Senado. Ginawa ko po, nung ako po yung Senate President, binuksan ko po ito sa majority at minority. Sa matter of fact, Senator Risa Ontiveros, Senator Coco Pimentel was the minority leader then. Binuksan po natin yan para makita ng lahat yung paggamit nitong confidential and intelligence funds through the reporting of the different agencies. May mga ahensya na makakapal ang mga sinabit sa Senado para makita kung gaano nila o paano nila ginamit yung pera. Dito ba po sa Office of the Vice President, ganun din ba po kadetalyado ang report na binigay po sa COA o nakita ng COA sa paggamit ng mga pondo nila?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Approving to new destination.
Mailalan this as a statement, the reason why we need to really curtail the use of intelligence and confidential funds and the possibility of abuse, and not only on the office of the Vice President. This also goes to all agencies of government. Kaya limitado na po sa armed forces na lang yung ating confidential funds tuwing nag-approve po tayo ng budget. At kasama na po dapat dyan yung LGUs. Dahil yung LGU po ay matindi din ang pag-abuso ng kanilang confidential intelligence funds. Tama po po yan.
Na natin sila. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. Hanggang sa muli po, ingat at God bless. Paalam po muna, pansamantala tayo ay gagawa ng ibang video sa ating susunod na mission. Paalam po muna, pansamantala. This is Jam, the Filipino channel na ingit pong lingkod. Paalam po.
Wala po kayong physical audit. Alright. Based po sa experience ninyo, may mga government offices ba na ino-audit po ninyo na hindi tinatanggap ang audit observation memo, AOM? May mga as audit auditor o sumasagot silang lahat? Wala po. Sumasagot ko silang lahat, Sir Honor. Except dito kay OVP. Hindi ko rin yung OVP yung aming first nung nagkatag po kami nung unang beses, unang time po. Alright. That's all, presiding officer. Thank you.
Thank you. Chair would now like to recognize our minority leader, Senator Judge Alan Cayetano, for his availment of the first round. You may proceed, sir, when you're ready. You have given us, sir.
Mr. Presiding Officer, Senate President, dear colleagues. My question is to the counsel for the prosecution, defense, and the witness. One question, maybe a follow-up, and if you may start with the witness first to answer. I'm not asking you to make a judgment in this case ng impeachment. So sa akin is the answer the general question. So we've discussed in the last 2 days, diba, what is illegal expenditure, what is irregular expenditure, what is improper expenditure. In between all of that, we talked about many technicalities, and of course, it will be much easier if we talk about public funds which are not confidential in nature.
Hello po, good afternoon po. Good morning pa rin pala.
Ay, sorry naman po. Aray ko. Sarap ka na kayo. Or you want here? Dito na ako. Dito na ako! Bukas.
Sorry po, minum lang po ako.
Problema po. Kami ngayon, sorry, late kami.
Tamang-tama lang, kumain akong pansit eh.
Ang saya.
Di ko na kayo tinarahan ha.
Bakit?
Sakto lang eh.
Sobrang baha ba? Sobrang lakas ng ulan ba?
Malakas po kanina.
Tapos magbaha pa ba?
River. Of course. It's Metro Manila, girl. What do you expect?
Kuya, pag magpalit kami ng Pasig, magkano?
Ay, hindi ko po alam, ma'am eh. Wala akong ano. I-book nyo na lang po, ma'am, para ano.
Check mo daw.
Para sure na.
Ayaw niya mag-commute. Ayaw mo mag-commute.
Gusto man din.
Hindi today.
So, diba, ano, ganon. Dito, yung basketball sure ba sinasabi mo?
Teka, important. Ano yun?
Well, sa sure ka lang naman po, merong presumption na tinatawag kapag hindi nakapag-liquidate na maayos yung agency. Which is the assumption of misuse or
Rizal Medical Center.
presumption, right?
The Supreme Court presumption.
Yes, the prima facie presumption is a disputable presumption. It's not a conclusive presumption, meaning yung prima facie, so ilipat yung onus sa kabila na i-prove na mali. Tama?
Yes, po, Your Honor.
Yes. So,
Alam mo, hindi na tapos yung impeach na yan. Dapat wala ng ano,
Isip naman yata impeachment din. 500.
Again, I'm not talking about this case in general. At what point
MRT na lang tayo. Pagdating ng MRT, mag-taxi tayo.
Wala man ay puro silang impeachment. Ilahang dapat ang ilang i-kuhan karon kung paksilikaw ganing flood control. Pati diri sa subdivision nagbaha na. Oh, look.
Ano yan
Kapag
siya?
naglabas si Commission Proper ng decision, at hindi po
MM lang sila.
Ang rubi kay mawala na akong wallet pag
pwede nang
tagay.
i-endorse with the
Temero.
Ombudsman yung case for the filing of
I'm okay. I just want to hear the answer of both the prosecution.
With the permission of Senator Judge Alan, asking the counsels for the parties, that same question would already make them
Ay, naku naman, kumain na kami ng sinigang.
of the law. Presenting the recourse through the witness, similarly to how you asked the
Baha pa!
witness. Instead of it being placed on the record based on their own points of view.
Yeah, I know that. Thank you for welcoming.
Tama ba? Di.
Pwede naman lumabas yun, sir. Hindi ka naman nanood. Bigyan ka lang ng ticket or something.
Nagkamali lang isang public official sa pag-liquidate and at what point is it criminal? I just wanted to give at least that's
I will be clarifying that during my second round.
then I will leave
Lalabas lang po.
I apologize.
Salamat po.
Prosecution and the defense, you will not have a chance to answer that, but during the time of the
Sabi ko nga.
you will be able to, or maybe even in the summation at the end.
Thank you for your understanding, Senator Judge Allen. Senator Judge Soto for his interjection.
Jolly Papa.
Senator Nick, former Senate President, somehow tinkered by cerebral quietness when he
Bongga si Thea.
talking about the issue.
Papakainin ang buong estudyante ng Santa Cruz.
As a senator, not just a deputy judge, I hope you allow me because just one question for the witness.
Terus ang gali.
Friday.
The
Terus ang uli. Balik pa rin.
prosecution
Sila?
filed the defense panel to give their
Sa 18.
opinion.
Sila kayo sa next week, di ba?
Hindi, sa Saturday yata sila or Sunday.
Ano eh. Kung wala ilahang tinguli yun. One week
Parang
ulit.
ganun din eh. Di ba? Parang sinasabi mo, so it is abused.
Kasama sila
Bakit hindi sa budget na susunod and we want your opinion para mas magkukonform sa
Kasi na dito, ma'am.
Palitan natin. Huwag na
Ay,
po
sila.
gamitin. Gamitin natin restricted funds or non-public funds. Ganun pa rin, di ba? Private, but naiintindihan na nila na hindi confidential ito, na hindi ito pwedeng hindi niya pinalaman na
Thank you po.
something to that effect. Just the opinion of the
Para?
The indulgence of Senator
Mas makabata kami kasi dito.
Soto.
Pagdili na ka pila.
It's good to
Saan?
stand up once in a while for being
Sa
seen for a long time, but
ticketing
the
booth.
chair will not allow counsels to respond and give their opinion on the matter. It will simply allow the witness to answer, similar to the chair's ruling in relation to the query earlier of Senator Judge Cayetano. Yes, Attorney Wamil.
Well, I submit that although the commission, to the commission on audit po, I am not supposed to give an opinion as to that.
That was the witness's answer. Senator Judge, Senate President, Win Gatchalian is recognized for his interjection. Your right is taken already, sir. You have 2 minutes. Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer. Thereafter, Senator Babs, so kindly
Sundan ko lang po yung ma-question si Senator Risa, ni Senator Ping, doon sa payment of rewards to informers without documents evidencing the success. Kanina natanong ni Senator Ping at ni Senator Risa tungkol dito. Ngayon, anong klaseng ebidensya ang hinahanap ng COA, ikaw in particular, evidence
What's
of
wait
success?
lagi?
Kaya ayun ang bukay.
Ma'am, kasi problema sa akong buhok. Paano
lang
kung
po namin sa mga
kinasama?
sinasubmit ay yung causal link between the successful information gathering or surveillance activities and
Ah,
the
dili ko
information given by
kulay,
the
ma'am.
informer.
Tama na ko sa kulay, ma'am.
Dili, itong laptop ni para kami mawala.
Opo, nagkasubmit po sila ng
Dili.
certification na po, Your Honor.
Di ka na siya.
Trauma na ko sa bleach ni mo, mama. Grabe yun. Kabalo ka pag mabasa kong buhok na na-bleach ko. Dili na ko kasudlay. Dili na tama na ko sudlay, oh.
Ano na
Ang nakalagay po doon kung ano yung naging successful surveillance or information gathering nila at kung ano po
Wala
ang
akong
resulta ay dahil naging
Ayun,
naging
mo ang
resulta
life
nung
guy,
information na
responsible
binigay
kayo.
ng informant po.
Hindi ko gano'n mag-conditioner.
Dili good ka na mag-condition bro. Ayun,
Nagbigay ng
kamay
pera
ba?
para sa informant.
Manudlay daw ko, no.
Ganun kasikli.
Ano siya, gulayan na siya.